Hello guys, this is Forest Clinic. Thanks for coming by. This is your first time. Do well to subscribe. Click on the notification button so that you get our subsequent video. What I want to do today is to learn how to monitor stock on Excel sheets, how to monitor stock price also on Excel sheets. So first thing I want you to do is go to Google and type stock names and symbols. When you type that, click on this stock analysis. It's open, and from here we will copy our stock names, their names and their symbols from this place into our Excel sheet. So see you in the next stage of this video. Hello guys, so this is the Excel sheet. I want you to create something like this. You can see we have the stock price monitor on Excel sheets. Then we have the name, company name, stock ticker, the change, percentage change, 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low, then the industry the stock belongs to. We have Apple Incorporated, AMN Healthcare, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta Platform, Alphabet, Tesla, Walmart, and Visa. And these are their tickers. You can see them. So this is what we'll be using to get data from the internet, and we'll be able to monitor our stock on Excel sheet. All we need to do is just to update the Excel sheet, and we'll get the value. We can also do visualization with them to monitor how our stock holding are growing and how they are reducing. So ride with me while we move to the next section of the video. Thank you for creating your Excel sheet. So let's dive to the next stage of our stock creation on Excel sheet. So we are here. The next thing we want to do, we have already listed all of this in our previous section. So we want to go to data, you go to data type section. We are going to be looking at stock. So what you do, you click on this particular stock, which is Apple. You go back to data, you click on stock. So you see the magic that will happen here. Now let's have a look at it. So he's trying to get information from the internet. You can see that it has been able to pick up Apple Incorporated. We do the same thing for the other ones. Go back to data, go back to stock, and then let's see the magic. So you can see that it has been able to pull for every single one of them. It has listed every one of the Apple. You can see them with their index. You can see some are from all of them. They are basically from NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. The XNYS is New York Stock Exchange, and the other one is NASDAQ. So the next thing we want to do now is let's get the price for this. So you see this particular selection. What I'm clicking on, insert data here. So we want to get change. You click on it. You look at it, you click on change, that is it. You click on the other, that one, we are looking at percentage change percentage. You look at it, then you talk about the 52 weeks high, 52 weeks high is here. Go back to 52 weeks low, and then you also look at the industry, which is this. So this is our industry. Let's extend our Excel so that we're able to pick up their names. So we've been able to do all of this. Let's see if we can you highlight the what we normally do with Excel. All you need to do is just to double click on this edge here, just double click on it, and it fills out everything. So you see the magic. This is the current state of the market. You can see the company names, their stock tickers. You've been able to retrieve them from the internet, the changes over the past, changes, percentage change of the stock before the market closed yesterday, the 52-hour change. We have the weekly 52 hours low, and their various industry. We want to rearrange this. We can as well click here to change to, you go back to data, and you look for this is currency. You want to change it to currency. Okay, so This is exactly how it goes. I wouldn't want to make any error. So I have been able to show you how you can get the names of your stock from the internet, get the values, and you see all that I've been able to do here. So all you need to do is, if this is weekend, when the market opens up, you know that the prices of stock exchange, they change per second per second. At every point in time, you want to come here to refresh. You refresh. Why you are not seeing any changes today is because the market has already closed. So this is it. Enjoy your ride. If you enjoyed this video, endeavor to subscribe to our channel, endeavor to follow up on our other videos, endeavor to share our video. If there is anything you want me to create on stock, both stock analysis, crypto analysis, I'll be able to do that for you. My name is Rollins, and this is Forex Clinic. Do have a wonderful time. See you in our other videos. Bye.